I'm Di with Sister Chicks Quilting. Welcome to my channel. Oh my gosh. Here's Sister. She's a lot of fun. I do love my chicks. Sister, can you say goodbye? Oh, that sucks. Because it does have cuddle on the backing. Say goodbye, Sister. That will help you get it together, because you know we all got to get it together, man. Test, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna start the quilting. This is all cut off. 1, 2, 3 now. Hello. Here's the Sister update. She just pooped on my arm. There we go. Hey. I always drop the screws. Check them out, these little, I always drop the screws. Okay, we're done talking. Getting everything set right, making sure the sound is good. La 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 la. Hi, I am beat. I've got dinner on my shirt. I'm just exhausted. I know I'm gonna crash the minute I hit the pillow. You wanna say hello in the camera? That's the Sister update. Okay. Well, I've been a busy beaver, and don't sew overhand.
Her machine's pretty fancy, so I thought maybe it was a miracle.
maybe it knew. Yeah. Test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3, test 3, 2, 1, test 21, 33. She just pooped on my arm. Testing the waters, woo, making the sound come up. Hi, honey. Please cut all that out. Bye from the chick. Hi. Hi. Checking the mic, making sure it's green. Okay, we're ready to go. Oh, I don't like that. It's too low.